Welcome to Chef Ardin's channel, the #1 cooking channel on YouTube. Today we're making red pea soup, a vegetarian soup. It's going to be an Untitled sip. Red peas with pumpkin, ground provision, squash, coconuts, carrots, corn. As you can see, all the relish, got all my good stuff, yams, potatoes, everything is in here. So we're gonna get ready to start bubbling our pot. You're watching Cooking with Chef Ardin red pea soup. Okay, over here we have our peas boiling. We're gonna boil the peas till the peas get soft and tender, our red peas. And in this water we only have coconut cream, and we have some onions, as you can see here, and garlic and salt. So we're just gonna boil it until the peas are soft, because these are not canned peas, these are hard peas, red kidney peas. So you gotta boil them out. And you're cooking with Chef Ardin red pea soup. Yeah, right now we're just gonna add the chopped garlic to the red pea soup, flavor up the water. We're going to also add some scallion to the pot for flavor. We're going to dice it, throw it in the pot, get your scallion out, put your garlic, scallion, onion, and pumpkin for flavor with your red peas, and let it boil with your coconut. We just diced 2 scallion. We're going to add to the soup, the red pea soup. Yes, your red peas is still being boiled, because you want to get it soft and flavor, right? So we're going to add some thyme to flavor up our soup, red pea soup. Yeah, I just washed my scotchy pepper. So we're going to throw a whole scotchy pepper right into the red peas pot and let that boil. Flavor right there, and now we're going to flavor up the pot. You're cooking red pea soup with Chef Ardin. We just added the corn, relish, celery, yams, potatoes. We just added it to the pot with the red peas. So now you're just gonna let everything cook down with your squash, ginger, and all your spice, carrots, everything that we chopped up earlier. So you're gonna let this cook for another 20 minutes, half an hour. Okay, our red pea soup is finished. Carrots, corn, celery, relish, yams. Thanks for watching Cooking with Chef Ardin red pea soup. Red pea soup. Red peas and pumpkin soup. I'm gonna enjoy, guys. Thanks for watching Cooking with Chef Ardin red pea soup. Delicious. If you want to know the ingredients, you could leave a comment and I could tell you what ingredients Chef Ardin used. This is a vegetarian dish, very healthy, very delicious. No meat added. Red pea soup. Look at that. Look at that thickness. Wow. Thanks for watching Cooking with Chef Ardin. Don't forget, subscribe, share, hit the notification button. Matter of fact, hit the subscribe button right now. Thank you. Help feed Toronto today. Help us. We need your help today. I'm Chef Ardin. You're watching Chef Ardin's cooking channel, the #1 cooking channel on YouTube. Like, share, subscribe now. Right now, not tomorrow, to now. Hit that subscribe button right now.